Welcome to How's That Pronounced? Videos to help you with commonly mispronounced words. Today's word has two different pronunciations. I typically say the first, amateur, amateur, amateur. Some people pronounce it like amateur, amateur, amateur. Listen and repeat. The tennis tournament is open to both amateurs and professionals. Sarah played soccer as an amateur before turning professional. These photos were taken by both amateurs and professionals. The amateur investor made several costly mistakes in the stock market. The amateur detective was no match for the cunning criminal. Even though I am an amateur singer, I hope to make a career out of it one day. Before you go, I'd like to tell you about the group classes. Registration began January 5th and will end January 11th. If you're ready to take your English to the next level, you should consider joining a group class. If you go to my website, you'll see information about the different classes, the prices, and the group sizes. Go to the Contact Me page to find the group class survey. After you complete it and submit it, I'll contact you with more information. Group classes begin January 19th, so sign up now.